What's going on, folks? This is your Las Vegas real estate agent, Jason Sanchez, and we are in the north part of Las Vegas. New home builder, Richmond American Homes, and I have another home here by Richmond called Anika, and this is another beautiful single-story home. Let's see if we can take a look. So most of the homes here are sold. There are only 4 more lots available in this area. Right now, this time of year is really nice and cool. You don't have that intense summer heat beating down on you during the midsummer months. Let's take a look inside. We have our pavers in the front part, 2-panel entry door going in. Beautiful space, lit up with LED lighting on the ceiling, nice and open. Let's take a look. We have our first bathroom, under-mounted sink, nice black faucets. These things we need to check. The sales office, if this is included or is an actual upgrade. Beautiful shower tub combo. I like the styling of this. I like this. This is kind of my thing. Okay. Your first bedroom, a little bit small. Still nice though. LED lighting, ceiling fan, as well as your closet space. Take a look over here. Approaching our other bedroom, second bedroom over here. Okay. This home starting at about $540,000, 1,740 square feet approximately, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Again, single-story home. Very nice. Over here is going to be entry to the garage, but it's being used as a sales office for now. We have our storage space. Washer dryer room. And then let me pan out over here as it opens up. Living room, dining room area, nice and open. Beautiful island. Keep in mind that the furniture is something that is not included into this deal. You can opt to purchase furniture like this. That will be a separate transaction altogether though. I do like the lighting they have for the dining room area as well. That's really nice. LED lighting throughout. Beautiful lighting above the island. And refrigerator, and of course your microwave oven combo. We have pantry storage area, white backsplash. Maybe a little bit of a challenge if you're gonna get the backsplash dirty if you do like to cook a lot. I do like this large under-mounted sink. Very nice. Dishwasher included. A decent amount of counter space as well as storage space, cabinets, drawers throughout. Very nice. And then of course your living area. Let's go out through this way. Let me know what you think. The price is $540. It's a little bit pricey, of course, for something like this though. It is a new home build, of course, so, and it is, you know, even though it's on the pricey side, it is very nice. Well done by Richmond. Okay. And entering into our master. Very nice. Let's go this way. Very beautiful. You do have your bathroom for the masters. I like this bathroom a lot. Nice and spacious. His and hers. Sink area. You do have a seating area over here, separate from the walk-in shower that you have over here. Okay, it's a little bit weird because they have the controls all the way on this side, but the shower head is all the way over there. Of course, it has a rainfall shower as well as the standard one that they have in that wall as well. So that's pretty nice how they have it like that though. Then that makes sense having it all over here since they have the rainfall feature right in this area. Okay. You have your water closet and your walk-in closet as well. Good amount of space, good amount of lighting. Let's take a look at the backyard. Normally the landscaping in the backyard is something that you have to take care of by an outside contractor. That will come at an additional cost. So if you plan on buying a new home, you need to factor these things in so you're not caught off guard. And this one they have it to where you have your pavers, outdoor furniture, gravel, some concrete features, as well as an area right here where they have the turf and the other desert landscaping. Nothing too crazy. Still pretty nice if you plan to spend this much money on a new home, knowing that you're going to get some kind of peace of mind that most of the things are new. I do still make the recommendation that at any time that you're going to go and buy a new home, go ahead and hire a home inspection. You would think that in a new home that you may not need a home inspection, but it's always good and leaning on the side of caution. This is your money, and if you do move forward with the deal, you're going to be the one living in the space. And the last thing that you want is to be in a home where there's some issues that you don't see, that it could be a bigger deal later. So it's always advisable for any one of my clients is to get a home inspection. It's worth the money to each and every one of you, peace of mind as well though. And while they have a lot of the contractors here on site, it's easier to get things fixed when it comes to that regard, because once they have all the contractors exit the new home community, it's going to be a little bit more of a pain to take care of. So you have that advantage. Use the services of your real estate agent, use the service of your home inspection staff to make sure they have your back when you're going through this transaction. Anyways, if anytime you need a licensed real estate agent, a realtor here in the Las Vegas area, please give me a call, send me a text, and I hope, I plan on making more content for each and every one of you. If you would like to leave a comment also where you would like me to do a new home tour, and I hope that we can see each other more often. Anyways, take care, have a good one, peace out.